YouTube, this is Info Mutt. I just got this package in the mail. Wouldn't you like to know what it is? Lucky day for you, I'm going to tell you. Hold on for 1 second. It's my ZIPPO lighter, my new ZIPPO lighter. I ordered it a couple days ago, about 10 days ago. And here it is. Will I use it? Look at this. I saw it. I was like, oh yeah. This would be nice to have. So, still with the stamp on it. Still with my papers and stuff on the inside. It's felt right here, like felt right here on the sides. And it says, made in the USA. And it says, congratulations on your purchase of this quality ZIPPO product. For great tips and hints on the care of your new lighter, visit zippo.com/care. Also, did you know that genuine ZIPPO products are legally protected by patents and registered designs? So, I will be using my lighter. I will be using it. Yep. But I'm going to take this sticker off and put it right there. So, give me 1 second. Okay, I just stuck the sticker on the inside of there. And here's my lighter. Man, this lighter is cool. I said, oh man, I would like to get this lighter. I would like to have this lighter. It's just a tad bit bigger than what I thought it would be like, but it's still a great lighter, man. Look at that. So this lighter is very nice. This is my second ZIPPO lighter. This is the first one I've bought from ZIPPO.com. And I think I'm going to buy some more.